because this whole process would have been a lot easier if we'd have had this. So what we have here is a Robland 410 NLX Pro. Now this was supplied to me by Markfield Woodworking Machinery, and when I went to their showroom I was kind of thinking about getting something a lot smaller than this, but then I saw this and thought the ability to cut full-size sheets of ply on this wonderful roving gantry that goes from right here all the way down to here, I was like, that is the machine for me. Now, it is not just a rip saw, because obviously before I've had one of these, I've been laying sheets of ply on the floor, strapping bits of metal and then like running the circular saw, which is a complete nightmare. Now, this doesn't just cut, it is a combination machine. It has lots of features. It is awesome. The main saw itself has an additional smaller cutting blade called a slitting blade. This is a little wheel which sits just in front of the main one, spins in the opposite direction, and if you're cutting faced plywood or anything like that, it stops it chipping off and puts a nice little score in it. Lovely. The slide gauges for the main sword are all these digital DRO types for super accuracy. The planing wheel has multiple blade tips on it, which makes it a lot quieter, and also if you hit any nails you don't have to replace the whole length of blade, you can just replace one of these little tiny ones, and you can actually turn them around 4 times so it'll last even longer. Then you can just flip up the fences and you've got the planer thicknesser, which can turn a manky old bit of wood right into a nice super clean plain bit of wood. Ooh, satisfying. There's also a spindle moulder which rises up out of the table, and all the dials have these wonderful analog style gauges within the wheel. Quite like that, it's very nice, Colin. Okay, now we've got the table saw sorted, and I'm going to put the extractor for it in the corner, which